Hello everyone, this is Mahek, Upadhayay, a legal intern at LEXIS and Company. Welcome back to our channel. Today's topic of discussion is alienation of a property under Hindu law. So before starting the concept of alienation, I'll be dealing who is a Karta, what are the duties and rights of a Karta. Then we'll come with what is the alienation and what circumstances an alienation could be done. What are the rights of a co-partner against an unlawful alienation. So, a Karta is the head of the Hindu joint family, a Hindu undivided family. He is responsible for maintaining the family. He is responsible for satisfying the needs of the family. He is satisfied for maintaining the family for all purpose, along with the maintenance of the property, Hindu joint property. A Karta can decide, a Karta has sole responsibility, or we can say sole decision making power to decide what is right for a family and what is not. In that case, he can even alienate the property. Means a Karta have an power to alienate the Hindu joint family even without asking the co-partner to dispose of their share, that alienation is for the benefit of the family, that alienation is justified by law. What is it justified by law? The court has recognized three situations where this alienation could be justified. First, if it is for the legal necessity of the family. Second is for the benefit of estate. Third, it is for the for performing some religious ceremonies and indispensable duties. This is the new legal concept. Earlier, under Mitakshar law, three reasons for alienation of property was given to the Karta. But these were one was in under apatkal, means an emergency situation where the family needs family needs money on an urgent basis. In that case, the Karta can dispose of the property. Second one is the Kutumbarte. In that case, if it is for the to meet the basic requirements of the family, like shelter, like food and clothing, that was the case. Third one was the Dharmamarte. Dharmarte means to performing those religious ceremonies against the ancestral. So now what legal necessity. Now we'll be discuss what are these three categories, or we can say three consequences under the alienation by a karta is would be justified by law. Legal necessity. Necessity, you can say, is a form of kutumbarte, means satisfying the basic needs of the family for shelter, for maintenance, for food, for clothing, for marriage of unmarried daughter, provided she is a major, for disposing of for 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 solving the dues on the property, for if by alienation the rent on the property is disposed, that would be a justified alienation. What would be the benefit of state? Consider the property price is 50 lakh and the Karta sold it for 70. That 20 lakh would be a benefit for the estate. The price the Karta got is the surplus amount. So the property. So the Karta could bought a better property, so that would be the benefit of estate. You can say the quality of the estate improved by that alienation. Then we have the performance of indispensable and religious duties, means the Shraddh, incarnation practices, burial practices. These are all included under these indispensable and religious duties that are under which, for fulfilling those duties, the Karta would be justified if we alienate the property. Then what are the remedies under the hand of the co-partner in case the Karta unlawfully alienated? Co-partner per se cannot object the Karta for disposing of the property, for alienating the property. They have two. Either they can ask for the partition, they can ask for their share in the property. The moment they ask for share, the Karta would be deprived of his power for alienating that share of the co-partner. he can still dispose of the remaining property, but he cannot dispose of that share of the co-partner. Other is, if the co-partners are satisfied that the alienation was not lawful, they can approach the court. Court would look into the matter to see as it was justified. It was among three of the consequences, or it was a unconsignable bargain. What this unconsignable bargain is, the court expect from a Karta to behave as a reasonable, prudent person would have done when governed by those circumstances. So that's all was the Karta and his alienating power. Hope you like the video. Do like and share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.